How to integrate payment gateway in WooCommerce or WordPress website. If you check, it shows there, it seems there are no available payment methods, यानी payment gateway कोई लगा हुआ नहीं है. तो payment gateway हम इसमें integrate करते हैं. So the very first thing, open your dashboard of your website and search plugins. Click on add new plugin and type here CC Avenue for WooCommerce. Click here. This one you should install it. Install now पे click करेंगे. Then it installed. Activate it. After activating it, let's search. Let's go to the WooCommerce. You can see this CC Avenue payment gateway, which is already installed. So go to the WooCommerce setting and go click on payments. Here you can see CC Avenue. So we'll turn on this button and click on finish setup. Here is the setup. We need merchant ID and working key. Now we'll log in our CC Avenue merchant account. This one. Then we'll have to search API key on setting. Click on API key. Here you can see merchant ID, access code and working key. So we need only merchant ID. Copy merchant ID and paste here in merchant ID section. Now copy working key and paste in your dashboard working key and save changes. Now we'll see on our website, is it coming or not. So go to your website, refresh it. Now you can see there are two options, cash on delivery and CC Avenue. So it is successfully integrated. Now you can make payments.